Changing the phone number associated with your Gmail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once logged in, find the Personal Info section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your personal details. Step 3. Locate phone number. Scroll down to the Contact Info section where you will see your current phone number listed. Click on it to edit. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Google will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code you received to confirm the change. Now your phone number is updated in your Gmail account. Remember to keep your contact information current to ensure account security and recovery options.